Want to know how to install plugins to your site in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, we can either go and install plugins from here as well, or do it in your specific site. So I'll just go to dashboard. So first up, simply select this three dot and then select WP admin. This will direct you to its site. Now, once you're there, right under appearance, you can see plugin on the left side. Just simply select it. Now, once you're under plugins here, you can just simply see and just browse in for some premium plugins, which you can just download simply. So you can just also search for it. I'll just go for Astra this time. Now right here you can see Astra widgets, Astra Pro and much more. I'll just select any one of these, a free one and paid one. So there are two methods you can get plugin, and then just simply select upgrade and activate. And now once that is done, you can just simply select upgrade and activate plugin. And once you've filed in enough information and checked it out, your plugins would be activated. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.